Yes, hello. Hello, welcome. Welcome to the coding session. Now, today also we will try to solve 5 to 10 programs at least in using Python programming language. And since we have covered OOPS concepts in detail, so from now, already in the previous sessions, we have seen I am I'm using methods a lot. So, use of methods will be more from now instead of writing raw code, and also we'll try to use the variables in the meaningful way. Variable declaration, these things will be seen by the senior developers, and like we'll try to follow the best practices one by one. Okay, yeah. So let's start. mm, I'm waiting for a user to connect. So we will what are all the things we'll try to solve, that things I wanted to share with you guys before starting to get an idea. So mm, interview thing. Okay, level 2 dictionary problems. uh, okay, so count character frequency means in this you are not, see, you are calculating each character, uh, and all everything. This is the output. And the second one, we will group the anagrams. This is a majorly asked questions in interview also. And filed employee with highest salary. Count occurrences like Python how many times and all. List find even numbers, those things. How to flatten the nest. So one by one we'll try to solve. Okay. So remember one thing. First you have to solve. Then about things, the best practices and good practices. First, you have to improve our logical thinking. Then we can improve. We can improve the code later. But we have to slowly understand the things. I try to connect all the dots. So what I'm saying is, like, if your program is taken 2 3 loops, that's fine. At first, you try to achieve what is the expected output. Later on, you try to optimize it. Slowly, you try to optimize it using the built-in methods and all. Okay. So now I am starting with frequency count dot py. So without wasting any time, I'm copying this input. Okay. And what is the expected output? I'll be commenting this here. Okay. So, yes, now we have seen, uh, here also, here also, here also we will use the dictionary, with, by assigning default zero value to all the keys. So what happens means, by assigning this default value, right, you can avoid key error thing you can really avoid. So first of all, without using that, I will try to create a method and try to show you to guys, so that what it is serving you will get to know in detail. Okay. So here it is taking an string. I will keep it as str. I will be click exactly Gans is anyone joins. Yeah, yes. Welcome to the coding session. Yes, the chat is open. Please post your questions. I hope um, I will answer definitely. So this is a string. So I will declare an array. I will declare an hash map, which is a dictionary. I will take it. Okay. I will declare it. I will for mm, element in str. So what I will do? I will do hash map of str, and I can't use this operator because it is not zero. Let me try to use it and let it throw an error, or let us see what it will do. Okay, so by seeing these errors only, you will get to know why we are using it. So those things. Okay, you will also get better idea. So here, key error. So what it is telling? So your past is okay. Okay, sorry. Ele- Element I should pass. Element, not a string. Okay, one element. Okay, I made a mistake. I will rerun it. Yeah, white key B. B is not there. So how I can fix it now? So here you have to add another condition here. Means if element is not in hash map, not in hash map, maybe. Okay. Or if it is not there, what I will do? Hash map equal to one. Else I will do this. Okay. Something here has happened. Do control C. Okay. Clear it. Oh, touch this. Now this is thing. So to avoid this if condition, we are using that package. Okay. It's not like whenever the interviewer asks. So what you are telling to? If this element is not in the hash map, then you are making this as one. You are assigning it the count as a one, since only one appearance at least it should find, you should find, right? So then if it is repeated again, you are incrementing. So simple, in simple terms, we were doing this. So guys, like the I request like the the person who is a fresher or a, like recently into the coding, don't import those packages. Try to solve, so that you will get to know. See, you got to know key error later on, how to solve it, how to overcome it, how I can avoid this key error part using a condition. You will get to know one by one. Okay, so like this you have to think. So this is the final output. Let us match with the uh, match with here. So yes, it is matching. Okay, yes. So this is the thing. Let us. So any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts with conditions? Or you guys understood like what? Why have you used if and all? Right. Good. Let's see next problem. See, next I want you to spend some time how they are grouped. See, it's eat, tea, ate, and tan, nat, bat. Please have a look like how means the the characters are same. EAT again TEA again ET means the characters are same. The arrangement is different. TANNAT. So the characters of that the particular string are same. So you are try to group it. So how we can group this each and how you can do it one by one. We will see it here. Okay. Mm, okay. Group anagram. Okay. You don't believe like, but this is one of the most asked questions in the interviews for mid-level uh, developers and all, or the guy with five to like who has good experience. Also, they will try to ask. They try to test the coding capabilities. Still, he has or so most of the guys will be doing the mentoring, right? Will be mentoring and try to understand the product and all, but we should still be having um, some coding, some logical thinking, so that it becomes helpful for it. For they will try to test it. Okay, so this it will take a list. Now we have to group it, right? So first I will take one hash map. Okay, so for element in list, so, and I will take one array. Okay, indentation is the problem. Okay, so um, I will try to here. I will try to play around in Python console. To open the Python console, you have to just type Python 3. So EAT. I will try to. Is there any method called sort? No. So okay, I will split them. Okay, so name equal to EAT, right? Now name each character. Okay, so let us see. means mm, I will start GPT. Oh, list of word. Okay, so this is the thing. So so you have to use the function there. Okay, list of name. Okay, can we do a sort? New name, print new name. None. Okay, can we? Oh, okay. Yes, means there is a sorted. Okay, so so what were we got to know the convert the string into array without without white spaces in Python you have to use list of word. Okay, it will try to without it will convert it. The now so sort the sort the alphabets to sort the alphabets from ascending to to descending. Now what we are doing, we are using sorted. Okay, so here you are trying to use sorted and trying to pass a list. Okay, let us see whether the sorted things will work on strings, because instead of going round, so still, like, there is no harm in trying, right? Let us try. So yes, see, means this, there is no requirement of this to do, only this is enough now. And here you can pass anything. See, I have, like, since sorted is a function, you can pass, it can be called in one or more data types. I have explained this before. So now we have a good roadmap, now. And we are not done yet. I may use, still some things, but let us do first thing means, so sorted dot item. Okay, so what I have to create an hash map which will take key as an array. So mm, Mm, okay. So here, how can I do multiple things here? Aside. So okay. So here default thing, default value, I kept it as list. So it will be list only. So without default list, like fruits, result of key equal to okay. Let us use this condition. Okay. Okay. Mm. So if key is not in asmap, okay, not in, yes, not in, okay. Let us see what it will return the asmap. Okay, and return should be inside this method, indent by one. So while coding, do with small thing, go step by step. You should be knowing what is coming next instead of writing a full program. Okay, now this eat. Okay, now no. Mm, okay, I will do this. Now, so mm, so how can I do it? Okay, example. Okay, default list. Alright. Okay, so what is telling? Let us use this. Okay, So here from collections import default list. See, default list till now we were using as a normal noun while assigning here as now import default list will be list. So for word in the key equal to so, so the key will dot key. Okay, join of sorted element and I will keep this key. Very simple. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Print result. Okay. So I want to return. Okay. So see, I want to create. I will return first as well. So see, 80, 80, 80. So we should not be doing again. Just append the element. Okay. So you will write list. So EAT it has been arranged. EAT these things. So this is the things. So in this you need values so that it will give an array like this, right? So it's not like you one day you'll sit and you will try to understand. You need to go through again and again and try to practice this particular program what I'm saying. Okay. So you practice it. What I'm what I will suggest. Slowly you will get to know this particular program. Okay. So I will go to the next one. Okay, next program. Hmm. We have done it. Yeah, find employee with the highest salary. This we can do it. Okay. Find the employee means Bob with the highest. No, no, like Jane. with the highest salary. Okay. Okay. So we have this. Yeah. Mm, so you you have an array of dictionaries, right? And find highest salary employee, and you are passing a list. Okay. So for element in the list, let us try to print the element. Okay, so please, so I am like print element name. Okay. If you still wanted to do all the things, means you can use um, format, you can use format and thing. Okay. And salary, this is to understand like how we are looping, are we doing correct loop, looping or not, is the things are falling correctly or not, that's the thing. Okay. Mm, okay. So how I can call this, you have to call this method, right? We are not doing anything, it will return empty if you don't call it. So and pass employees. Okay, it is doing correctly. Okay. Mm. So now you have passed, you are doing the iteration. Now you have to do a salary comparison, which is the highest. Then you have to return that name, right? So what I will do, highest highest salary equal to list of 0, the first element of that uh, first element salary. This also I will try to print it. Did I took correctly or not? We have to every time cross check. Okay. Yes, 50,000. First thing. So I am keeping this as the highest salary. Okay. What I will do? I will now remove this. If highest salary, no, if element of salary is greater than highest salary, then I will highest salary equal to element of salary. It's like finding the largest number. You will take the first element as the largest number, then you will go on iterating this, right? Same thing you are doing here. You are not doing anything fancy. Okay. This is a list of objects. First list salary key, key you have taken 50,000, that you have set to as salary. Now you are doing iteration and do a comparison. Okay, there is nothing. Okay, you have done this if condition over the loop. Then what you will be returning means, okay, you will, so now At the end, you return highest salary. Now you get to know you will get 80,000. See, here you remove this print. Okay, you have got the value. So you have to find that particular name. Okay, so highest salary. So how now in the in this array of thing using value, how you can find the name, how you can find the object. So now that's the part, right? Okay. Mm, let us give this to ChatGPT once. Mm, was correctly find the highest. So okay, highest employee. Oh, correct. See, you are finding the thing, right? Yes. Employee of zero. So employee of zero means instead of taking the only the salary, you take the complete one, right? So highest paid employee, employee. So now you can do salary. Okay. So for if employee of salary is greater than, then highest employee equal to employee, like that. Is element equal to element. So now if I return the highest this thing red, you will get the complete hash. See? Oh no. Okay. Mm, something is missing. Mm, increment of salary is greater than this. Okay, let us redo it. I'm getting a bit confused here. Okay, here you are sending a list of zero, you have taken it. Here, let us print element. Let us see what is happening. So it is not going inside the loop. Why? For element. Okay, let us print here element. Oh no. Okay, let us print at least list. Okay, here you are coming. That is the thing. Okay, let us print here element. Why not all the elements are coming? Only 150k is coming. This is strange. And hmm, hmm, okay. So this is the list, correct? Highest paid is the list of zero. Okay, that is done. For element in list. So something is wrong. Okay. Yes. I am returning from first loop only. Hmm. Okay, got it. So, hmm, syntactically still we have to improve. Okay, this is the one, and in that I wanted the net, right? Yes, that's it. So I hope you understood this program. Okay. This screen. Actually, Vishal, now are you able to do look into with my screen? Okay, I have not seen Vishal. Can zoom? Okay, screen is not visible. Vishal is telling. Now this program is good. Did you guys understood? Yeah. Any reactions? Getting guys? Okay. So okay, so can we do it? Are you guys with me for the another two problem? Hmm? Okay, let us take the next problem. Okay. Mm. So the next one is this one. Okay, count the occurrences of what? This you can do it. Word underscore occurrence dot py. Mm. And what is the expected output for expecting this? Okay. So mm, this word. Okay. So here also I will, since you now got it right, I will from collections I will import default list here. Okay. Since the value is an integer, now I'll create the word words equal to default list and the parameter is integer. Okay. Now I will what here there is a sentence, right? And this is a sentence. You have to split it with one white space. So okay. Ah, now you can see. I think so. Okay. Mm, so this is the one. Now for so I have to split it out, right? No, split. Okay. Let's try for means y. Okay. New underscore sentence. I'll create another variable to avoid confusions. Initially, I don't want any confusions. I have split it with white spaces. Okay. So for element in new sentence, so print element. Now you want see now when I call this word frequency and here I will pass the sentence. Okay. When I run this, see Python is good programming means it is coming with each word. Okay. The first step is up done successfully. Now words of element, since you have used default list, the value will be already 0. You can increment with 1. Okay. And after this return for, yeah, you're returning from this method, what you will return words. That's it. So done. Okay. I think you got this. there is no issues. Getting right. I think you guys are able to see the screen now better. Okay, I'm I'm taking up the next challenge. Filter list py. So now, uh, next question. Okay, so this is the input. Mm, This is the input, and what they are expecting the output, filtered or a new list. Okay, let me type it. Mm, Find even numbers. Okay, so now let us do some maths. Yes, right. You need some formula, right, to filter out the even or odd thing. So guys, mod, right? Modulus, mod, everything which will return the remainder. Okay, reminder. Sorry if there is any spelling mistake. Okay, so now if this 2 mod 2, when you do 2 mod 2, right? 2 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2 you are doing, and the what will be the remainder? 0. The same thing, 4 mod 2 you are doing, um, like what you are taking the remainder, what will be the remainder? 0. You are not using this one because this will not give the remainder, it will give the answer like this. What is the remainder? 0. 6, 0, because it is completely divisible. Now let us think. Find even numbers. So you will get one list. What you will do? You will create. You will have a even numbers equal to empty list. Now for element in list, you will iterate one by one. Here you will add a condition. If element mod equal to 0, then even underscore numbers dot append the element, and now you return even numbers. Okay, this is the thing. Yes, why it is not printing means you are not calling this method. Okay, try to call this method by passing the input which you are declared here above. Okay, now it will give the output. Yes, this is the expected output. Okay guys, I think you understood today. So we have solved around five coding challenges which are intermediate. So tomorrow again we'll take another five questions from there only. I will not close this tab. Hope so. This this year recursion will comes into play, and find common those things. Oops, problems one by one. We'll take step by step tomorrow. Please join with me, and thank you for your valuable time. Okay, so please practice, um, program like day by day. Will be, um, like, the what happens means, run like syntax issues will be reduced, and you will be more thinking in the logical way, and so getting the syntactical errors, syntax errors, those will be reduced day by day, not from day one, but day by day it will get reduced, definitely. Okay, and have a nice day. Good night, everyone. Thank you.